I'm Kate Schwanke and welcome back to my channel for another fun video with the Tesla. Today I'm going to be installing all the items that I shared with you guys in my last video, featuring all the items that I bought for this car. There are must-haves and also a little bit of extras. Don't forget to check out that video. I will link it right here for you. The items that I'm installing in this video are things that are gonna make your life easier and also spiff up your car a little bit. So let's get started. The very first thing that I'm installing into my car are my mats. I have drivers, passengers, second row, third row, cargo, frunk and trunk mats. And I'll show you how to install each one in each row. Make sure before placing your mats that you've removed the old carpet mats and keep them in a safe place, because if you ever decide to sell your car at some point, you're probably going to want to sell those along with it. Next, grab your vacuum and get out any debris that's left over in your car. That way your new mats are going on to fresh carpet. I'm excited to show you guys the third row because this row has been such a huge help for my family of 5. We love it. It's fairly easy to access and our 2 younger kids fit back there just fine. Once again, make sure you grab your vacuum and get out any debris before putting in your next mat. Next, it's time to put in the mats for the back of the second row, and these are definitely necessary as we have a third row and our kids are constantly in it. But I won't lie, these mats were probably the trickiest to apply because you have to get them lined up perfectly. Now it's time to install the cargo mat, and I am being totally serious when I say you really only want to apply this one time because the Velcro on the 3D Max Spider mats is extremely strong, so it's going to be hard to take them off and on if you don't get it right. Now it's time to place one of the biggest must-haves I have for this vehicle for families, our car seat protectors. The last thing you want is indentation, color transfer, and other things like that. So it's important to have a great car seat protector to go underneath your car seats. And I really like these Prince Lionheart ones that we bought because they are custom fit for the Tesla. And they work great with our Klex seats, as you can see. As I mentioned in my must-haves video for the Tesla, this screen protector is my #1 must-have. My favorite thing about it is how easy the application is, especially, this is the important part, make sure that you've kept your screen protector on that Tesla sends you home with. That makes this process 100% easier. But they do supply you with things in this envelope if you do not still have that installed. To install your new screen protector, click Display, click Screen Cleaning Mode, remove the screen protector that Tesla provides you with. Leaving this on when you initially get your car and waiting for your screen protector to arrive prevents you from having smudges, dust, and anything else on there when you're applying your screen protector. Once you've removed the film, go ahead and gently place the plastic applicator on the screen. Once you have it all lined up, your next thing to do is to just press and slide against this orange strip here. Now we just have to wait 30 seconds. After 30 seconds have passed, gently remove the orange sticker and pull it downwards. Once you've taken that off, you can release the applicator from the screen. Next, pull back the plastic film and that will reveal your beautiful new screen protector. Lastly, grab this special tool which helps get out all of the bubbles, but my favorite thing about it is that it's multifunctional. I'm actually going to be using it for a few different things in this video. Once you've gotten all the bubbles out, it's time to turn your screen back on. The next must-have that I'm installing today is our MagBack wireless charger for the Tesla. This thing fits perfectly on the back of your screen and it allows you to be able to charge your phone wirelessly as well as have it up where you can see it. So if you need to access your phone for any reason or you just really miss having Apple CarPlay, this is a great option for you. First, you're going to clean the back of the screen with the alcohol pad that's provided. Next, remove the plastic to expose your adhesive, and this is going to stick directly onto the screen on the back side. Make sure you press and hold it for 30 seconds. See, I told you that this tool was going to come in handy another time. To keep your cord from being exposed, you're going to press it into the hard molding between the console and the carpet and just press it in using this tool. It's super simple, it doesn't damage your cord, and it hides it away perfectly. I have the Apple MagSafe case and it works great with the MagBack charger, but MagBack sells their own cases that also work with this. Our next installation is actually going to be my husband installing our new mud flaps onto our Model Y. These mud flaps are going to help protect the bottom of our vehicle from rocks being flung up, mud, and anything else that'll put a chip in our paint. My very top favorite thing that I have installed into my new car is this Hills Made wood console cover. Look at this beautiful wood. I cannot wait to put this on. The installation video on the website is extremely helpful, so if you can't get what you need out of this video, I hope that you will check out their video. First, you're going to test and make sure that you like the look. You're going to definitely need 2 credit cards. I have 2 rewards cards here that I'm going to be using today. And you're also going to need a pencil for this installation. I recommend you doing a dry fit before you try this, but for this video, I'm going straight for it. Take off the paper that's blocking the adhesive. Put your credit cards away because you're going to be using this later in the installation process. First, you're going to line up with your left side. The pencil is there to protect this wood piece from getting adhered directly to the surface right away. First, you're going to tuck in the left side, and then you're going to bend over the top and tuck it into the right side. Having the pencil directly in the middle allows you to move the piece forward and backwards to get the perfect fit. You're going to use your credit cards to line it up at the edges. When you get it into the exact position that you want, you're going to very slowly remove the pencil to make sure that you've lined everything up properly. Once you have the pencil all the way out, you can press down on the top of the veneer. Do this for about 30 seconds. Now with the first half done, it's time to do the second half, and this is the easy part for most people, but I actually struggled with this piece, so I ended up having to use that special tool again, and I will show you guys that in just a second. But you're going to remove the paper covering the adhesive. You're going to line this up to the best of your ability because you only get one chance to get it right. Right here, I realized that I pushed it a little too far over to that side, but then I got my little tool again. This thing is amazing. Definitely keep it with you. And I gently pressed it into place, and it is a perfect fit. Once again, press on this for 30 seconds for the best adhesion. Following few products I actually discovered after my must-haves video, but these are also must-haves. I found this adorable little black trash can on Amazon, and you have to get it for your Tesla, guys. It's perfect. I love it. It's a perfect fit. It has a little flip-top lid. It's easy to empty. I definitely suggest you get one of these. I also purchased these Jawa console organizers, and I really like them. They have a silicone liner in a plastic base, and you can remove the silicone liner to wash it if you need to, but I just love how easily these slide in and out. They are a perfect fit in the console. Even the armrest Jawa organizer that I purchased allows for you to be able to use your cigarette lighter, which is what I'm using to power my MagBack charger. Perfect fit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it fun and helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. And don't forget there are shopping links for everything I've mentioned down in the description below. If I missed anything in this video that you think I need in my Tesla, please comment down below and let me know. Thanks for watching!